What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? Today I want to talk about fast food in California and the likelihood that it will continue to be fast, but likely will not be cheap for very much longer. But first, I'm an attorney, but I'm not your attorney, so please seek out competent legal advice for your specific legal need or question. So, Governor Gavin Newsom recently signed into law the Fast Food Accountability and Standards Recovery Act. This looks to be another far-reaching law that will impact fast food employers in California. The new law, which is set to take effect January 1, 2023, establishes a fast food council whose members will have the authority to establish minimum standards regarding wages, hours, and working conditions for fast food restaurants whose brands have more than 100 locations nationwide. In other words, a council of bureaucrats that can punish and collect taxes. The council members will be appointed by, of course, Governor Newsom, the Speaker of the Assembly, and the Senate Rules Committee, and will serve a term of 4 years. Before the council has the power to issue new standards, at least 10,000 California fast food restaurant workers must sign a petition supporting the council's creation. What is California's obsessive need to create red tape? Once this petition process is finished, the council will have broad authority to establish sector-wide minimum standards on wages, working hours, and other working conditions adequate to ensure and maintain the health and safety and welfare of, and to supply the necessary cost of proper living to fast food restaurant workers, and to ensure and effect interagency coordination and prompt response regarding issues affecting health, safety, employment, fast food restaurant workers. That was all a quote, of course. Whew. That is a long way of saying California wants to be in the fast food business without making any investment into a business. Remember the good old days when teenagers worked fast food? The act gives the council authority to raise the minimum hourly wage for fast food workers as high as $22 in 2023. The $22 cap rise each year based on the inflation rates. So 3.5% is supposed to be the minimum or the maximum they're allowed to raise it. So how much do you think a burger is going to cost in 2023 in California? The problem with these types of overreaching, unconstitutional laws is that they are made by people that don't understand basic economics. If you make things cost more, the cost of the finished product goes up. And of course, the enforcement arm will be the California Labor Commissioner. And they will have the power to investigate violations and issue citations against employers. And since it's California, all of the usual discrimination and retaliation rules apply that make it much easier to create PAGA claims. So once again, the evil lawyers win the day. Okay, so I don't know that I have much more to say about this particular law, but it's just unbelievable to me that California continues to get away with violating the rights of these business owners. Now, whether they're big businesses or small businesses, they're still business owners. Okay, until next time, be productive.